What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil, and I'm super excited to share something new that we have added to our business. It's becoming a U-Haul dealer. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why we have decided to be a U-Haul dealer, the step that we took to get started, and some tips for anyone that wants to get started and do the same. So let's dive right in. First off, why U-Haul? As many of you know, our business, JJ Granite, is as a wholesale granite, marble, quartz, and quartzite, and it's all about serving the needs of contractors, builders, and homeowners. We're always looking to expand our services and make it easier for our customers. So partnering with U-Haul just makes sense. It's a trusted brand and it allows us to offer another valuable services. So how did we get started? Here's the step-by-step process on what we went through.
First, we did a lot of research to understand the benefits of becoming a U-Haul dealer, and we were looking to add additional income. We look at the space that we have, the customer demand, and the potential revenue. The payment was based on commission. So here's the list of how U-Haul ranked the commission based on the equipment you rent out. Second, you have to fill out the online form, then U-Haul will reach out to you. Their team responded fast and was incredibly helpful, walking us through all the requirements and what we needed to get started. A representative from U-Haul visited our location to ensure it met their standards. They looked at things like space for the truck, accessibility for customers, and overall suitability. Next, U-Haul provided comprehensive training on their system and processes. It's mainly online course, and there are about 6 courses to complete. We got our staff trained and set up for the necessary system, like the POS system. Then your area field manager will bring your starter equipment, and in my case, it is the 10-foot truck. Once everything was in place, we received a U-Haul sign, and the U-Haul headquarters added the location on Google Maps. So now if anyone tries to rent a U-Haul around our area, we now show up as an option.
It's been a month since we started, and we already had 11 rentals. It's been a fantastic addition to our business, and our customers are loving the convenience. If you consider becoming a U-Haul dealer, there's a few tips from our experience. First, make sure there's a demand for U-Haul rentals in your area. Second, use your current customer base and operation to promote the new service. Third is make sure your team is well trained on the U-Haul system and the processes. Fourth is to maintain a good relationship with your U-Haul representative for ongoing support.
If you're interested in being part of a U-Haul dealer, then make sure you refer my dealer information, which is JJ Granite, to your representative, and email me when you do so. I do make a small commission, and I hopefully this video helps.
Now that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question about becoming a U-Haul dealer or anything else, just drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.